I made 300k here on YouTube in a month, even before I got monetized. You know that you can actually make money here on YouTube while you're still waiting to get monetized. You know you can still make money even with low subscribers. An international brand actually reached out to me for brand deals and then offered to pay me in dollars. When this brand actually reached out to me, I was less than 3,000 subscribers and I was not yet monetized. If you're ready to attract brand deals, if you're ready to make money here on YouTube while you are still waiting to get monetized, this video is for you. But you making that money and also getting a brand deal depends on these two major things that I'm going to be sharing in this video. At the end of this video, you're going to have a positive change of mindset, and this will also help you to position your channel for brand deals, for business sales, for a lot of ways you can actually make money on YouTube. So please do well to watch this video to the very end if you want to make money. And if you're not ready to make money, or probably you have other sources of income and you're not interested, please, you can just swipe up. This video is specifically for small creators that are ready to level up in 2026. So without much being said, let me take you straight into the two major things you need to do as a small creator. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. My name is Buki, and on this channel I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube. So if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to see. So before we continue, I would like us to watch this particular clip. I made this clip on the 10th of December. Guys, guess who just got a brand deal? A channel that is not even yet monetized. I don't have that big subscribers, just few subscribers. And then a brand reached out to me that they want to collaborate and partner with me, and they offer to pay me in dollars per month. I don't even know if I'm actually going to ever post this particular video because I'm very well dressed, but I just want to document this, that God is faithful. A channel that is not yet monetized. I just started my YouTube journey when... The reason why I shared that particular clip is for you to know that you can actually make money here on YouTube even without having to get monetized, or while you're waiting to get monetized, even if you have low subscribers count. Now let me share the two major things you need to set right on your channel so that you can actually position your channel for future brand deals and collaboration and also make money here on YouTube. And the second one is the most important one because it changes your mindset positively. Now, the first thing you need to do as a small creator or as a small channel is for you to know what you are doing. You need to carry your channel on your head. Now, for you to do this, you need to have one clear niche. You need to have a niche. Okay, you cannot just be doing several things and then expect that. Do you understand? Let your channel be known for one specific thing. If you're into cooking, let your channel be known for cooking. I cannot overemphasize this. Your niching is very important. You need to have one clear niche. And the second thing you need to do is to make quality videos. Okay, you need to make videos that are very, very engaging, videos that delivers value. Very, very important, because this is what will actually position your channel. Now, the third thing you need to do is to stay consistent. Because even if you're actually delivering value, let's assume you're posting good videos, right? But you're not consistent. You're posting 1 month and then you ghost on YouTube again. You just go and then you come back anytime you feel like. That way you are not positioning your channel as a very serious-minded creator. You need to be consistent. Being consistent does not mean posting every day, does not mean you showing up on YouTube every day and giving us videos. No, you can just post once or two times in a week, depending on the capacity you have. Okay, but make sure you're always showing up. You're always consistent. If you're posting once in a week, let once in a week be once in a week. Even if you're not getting much engagement on your channel, you never can tell who that person is that is looking at your channel. You never can tell who is observing your channel. Just make sure you always show up, deliver quality videos, have a clear niche, and stay consistent. Now, to the second major thing you need to do as a channel to position yourself for brand deals is for you to treat your channel like you would actually treat your business. It is very, very important. I know a lot of us do not really take this seriously, but it is very important because you never can tell who is watching your channel, who is observing you from afar. Imagine that you own a store, right? And you have a lot of competitors that are doing the same business just like you. Now, for you to beat them, you actually need to position that your store to be beautiful, to be giving, to be like everything should be okay, from the shelves, from the wall paintings. Everything inside is giving aesthetics. Everything inside is giving good vibes. Do you get? You package everything, even what you sell in that store is well packaged. Definitely people are going to patronize you, because coming to your store, they know that everything is well organized, everything is well arranged. Not that they are going to come to your store and then they want to pick something, they have to be looking up and down. Like, everything is well organized, everything is well beautiful. Definitely you're going to attract sales, definitely you're going to attract the right customers. Now, this is how you should also treat your YouTube channel, because if your channel looks disorganized or your channel is not in place, how do you expect brands to take you serious? How do you expect people to even take you serious? Let's assume that you have a product and everything is just looking scattered. How do you expect people to take you serious? So if you really want to make it, and if you really want to attract future brand deals, you also want to attract future sales, you need to organize your channel. Now, for you to organize your channel, your banner must be in check. Everything must be very okay. Your channel banner, your channel description, your channel profile picture, everything must be looking organized and professional. Okay, don't just leave it scattered. I know there are a lot of us that don't even have channel description. There are a lot of us that don't even have channel banner. Now, these things are very, very crucial and important. And then the last thing for you to do, if you really want to attract brand deals, is to create an access to you. Imagine that a brand has been observing your channel for a long time, seeing that, oh, this channel is actually consistent, this channel delivers value, this channel is always showing up, but they want to reach out to you. There's no way they can actually reach out to you. You don't leave an email on your description, you don't leave a WhatsApp or a social media link on your channel description. How do you expect those brands to actually reach out to you? So you need to create and have an access to you, either email, WhatsApp, any social media platform. For more professional deals, having your emails placed at every description of your video is very, very important. Like I said, you never can tell which brand is actually looking at you. You never can tell which brand is actually observing what you do on your channel. So from now on, make sure you stay consistent, have a clear niche, make quality videos, let your channel be properly organized. With these, you are also going to attract the right brand deals, and you're also going to make money. And this international brand actually reached out to me for me to make videos for them and to pay me monthly. Imagine earning 300k per month aside the YouTube earnings. That is a beautiful one, because you're going to be financially stable. With that, you can actually attract more brand deals. And another way you can actually make money here on YouTube is for you to sell products of what you know. You need to package it. Still boils down to you organizing your channel, because if your channel is not organized, you are not showing up, nobody is going to take you seriously. So this is how you can actually position yourself for brand deals. This is how you can position yourself to potential clients, because people are actually looking at you and you don't know who is who. So from now on, do well to work on your channel, organize yourself. So I want you to scrap that mentality that I just want to make money from the YouTube earnings. You can make a lot more apart from the YouTube earnings, depending on how you position yourself. So that is why I've decided to make this video. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to drop a comment. If you're ready to level up in 2026, drop level up in the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.